Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a Georgia e-visa online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, lot of countries are going towards e-visa, and it's good that Georgia has this option available. And in front of you, I have opened their official website. Now, the very first thing I would suggest is go to FAQ before, because you might have a lot of questions. Okay, like how long does it take? It takes not less than 5 working days. Who is eligible? Okay, an application process, language. If you have middle name or all such questions. Okay, yeah. If there is any refund payment, see 20 USD plus 2% service fee. How you're gonna pay? All such information is available. Okay. So anyway, now let's begin. So I click on apply now. So you see it is going into five tabs. First is citizenship country. So I'm putting sample. You do it as per your own guess. Type of travel document. I select ordinary passport. Okay. Purpose of visit. I select tourism. Insurance, you have to check this box. Okay, and then you have to do this capture, and you have to confirm. Wow, I'm exempt from visa, or because of my nationality. Okay, but no worries, I'll select a country that does need a visa. So let's say I select India. Purpose of travel, ordinary. I'm just putting sample information. Do it as per your own case. Purpose of visit, I said tourism. Insurance, I have valid insurance. I am holder of valid visa of following. Okay. So basically, like you need to have a visa of these. Let me see if I can still bypass. So of course, based on your nationalities, requirements can change. Hopefully this is correct. Okay. Travel date. Select the date of intent. So let's say, yeah, just sample. In case of approval, e-visa valid 120 days with the right to stay in Georgia for up to 30 days during the validity period. Number and multiple. Okay, visa fees. Terms condition. I'm traveling for short term. Of course, you have to agree all of this. Personal information. Okay. So name you need to put. Again, put it as per your own case. Gender name. This is your passport number. If you're traveling with companion, you need to click. Okay. And you need to upload your passport and photo here. So I'm gonna do through this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay guys, so after you upload your picture and other things, it takes you to the verification page where you can see all the details that you have entered. And of course, you need to check it on top, and if everything is correct, you need to verify. Otherwise, you can go back and you can edit that section and you can make changes to your application. So, and then next stage is going to be the payment. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.